Good afternoon, and thank you for calling Protect My Car, where all calls are recorded. Just for calling in today, you qualify for our auto savings program. We save you a guaranteed 50% on your vehicle repair cost, and we also provide you with free oil changes, tire rotations, and roadside assistance. My name's Dylan, and how you doing today?
Bleh.
So get prank calls on a Saturday afternoon. Let me go ahead and notate this one. Just a sheep on the line. They get weirder and weirder. People ain't got nothing better to do. Let's see. All right. Happy Halloween.